Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Etsy to sell your handmade products step by step clearly. First, create an Etsy account by visiting the Etsy website and clicking on Sign In at the top right corner. Select Register to sign up for a new account. Fill in your email address, choose a password, and select your location. After creating your account, click on Sell on Etsy located in the top right corner. Next, choose Open Your Shop to begin setting up your seller profile. Select your shop language, country, and currency from the drop-down menus. Enter a name for your shop that reflects your brand and products. Etsy will check the availability of your shop name and provide suggestions if necessary. Once your shop name is finalized, proceed to set up your shop preferences. Next, create your listings by clicking Add a Listing. Upload high-quality photos of your handmade products to capture attention. Write a detailed title that includes keywords to improve search visibility. In the description, provide information about your product, its materials, dimensions, and care instructions. Set your price, considering production costs and market competition. Specify the quantity available and set your shipping options. Choose whether to offer custom or personalized options to attract more customers. Add relevant tags to help users find your listings in search results. Once your listings are complete, review your shop policies, including shipping, returns, and payment methods. Make sure to fill in your shop's About section, sharing your story and brand values with potential buyers. Set up your payment method by linking your bank account or using Etsy payments. After you're done setting up, click Open Your Shop. Promote your shop through social media and share your store link with friends and family. Engage with customers by responding to messages and reviews promptly. Regularly update your shop with new products and adjustments based on feedback. Monitor your shop's performance through Etsy's statistics tool to track sales and traffic. Stay informed about Etsy updates and policies to ensure a successful selling experience. Continuously improve your listings by experimenting with keywords, images, and pricing strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.